Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to show or hide ribbon in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. The ribbon is the display you can see at the top of the Excel window, through which you can access Excel commands and functions. If you want to hide ribbon, click on the icon at the top right hand corner. Here we have three options: auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. Now I want to hide. Click on auto hide. The ribbon is hidden. You can access Excel commands and functions. Double click on the top of the window. Ribbon is shown. Now click anywhere on the worksheet. Ribbon will be hidden. Again, back to this icon. Show tabs. It shows us only tabs. Which tab you want, you can click on it and it shows the ribbon. Back to icon again. Show tabs and commands. As you can see, it shows us tabs and commands. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.